Today first time I'm giving vanilla ice cream to my sweeties. I heard once upon a time ice cream is okay, so yes, this is the first time I'm doing that, and this one will be shared by this two, this one and this one, so sugar portion will be really less. Okay, it's very hot outside, and how they're eat it. Give me a moment. Hey. Oh, they like it. He likes it. He likes it. It's coffee, cold. Might be, you like the wet liquid one. Khayega? No, he's scared only. This is what is behind me, but he also doesn't like. Let's see, somebody else likes it. So what people are saying, vanilla ice cream is good and all, for like tasty and all. They really doesn't like it. I'm trying. I've actually tasted with them. Chottu mummy, Aja, chottu mummy. See if you like it. None of my streeties are loving it. None of my streeties are loving it. No, only 2 to 3 times. That's all. Might be it is very cold. Yeah, it's very cold. That's what. So in the milk. You like it? Huh? Mama? You liked it? She liked it. She liked it. None but one of my pack liked the vanilla ice cream. But this is the first and last time, Mama. Okay? She is only interested.